Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see a Java program to check whether a number is even or odd. Basically, we are going to check whether the given input number is even or odd number. Let me create a class file for this program. I'll keep the name even or odd. That is the class name I'm creating. Let me create the main method. So for that, in mathematical, right? How do we tell whether the number is even or odd? Basically, if the number is divisible by 2, if there is no remainder, right? That case we say that the number is even. Otherwise, we say it's an odd number. The same concept, right? The same logic we are going to apply in the program as well. Hope you guys are aware of all the operators, right? In Java program. I have created a one separate video. You can check that out in my YouTube channel. So there I have explained all the available operators in Java. There I have explained one operator, which is modulus operator. So that operator is used to get the remainder from the division. Basically, that modulus operator gives you the remainder for that division. For example, if I divide, right, 4, we remove this. So 4, this is the operator modulus. This is the modulus operator. So if I divide, right, 4 modulus operator 2, then we get 0 because 2 is 2 into 2, right? We get 4, so the remainder is 0. In case if we have 5, right, uh, divided by, right, that modulus by 2, right, we get remainder as 1. It is because 2 cannot divide the 5, right? So 2 into 2, 4. The balance 1 will be given as remainder. So in this case, the 4 is a even number. Here 5 is odd number. How we are telling this because of the remainder value. If the number is divisible modulus by 2 and we get the remainder as 0, then the number is input number is in this case 4, right, which is even. For example, if we give 5, right, which is modulus of 2, we are getting 1 as a remainder. So in this case, it is odd number. So this is the logic we are going to apply in the Java program as well. So input, I'm going to declare 2 variables, right? One for I think 1 is enough, right? So I'm going to declare input number. Maybe I'll keep it as number as a variable name, assigning value as 4. And I'm going to add a if condition, right? We have to tell whether it's odd or even, right? So if the input, right, which is number variable, is modulus by 2, and if the value is equal to 0, right? We add the bracket. We remove the spaces. Also, let me add else here for it is not equal to 0. In this case, let me add the printout statement, right? This is for even. So if we get it, the modulus returns the value 0, right? That case, input is even number. Let me copy this for this part as well. I'm adding this input is odd number. Let me replace even as odd number. So the program is very simple, right? Because we have a modulus operator. Let me remove the spaces in between. So we provided the input as 4, right? Which is modulus by 2. if the modulus by 2 returns value 0, right, then this if condition become true and this true portion will be executed, and we get the output as input is even number. If it did not get 0, right, that case the else part of this if statement will be executed and we get input is odd number. Let me execute this and we will see the result. It is executing. Let's see what is the output we got. Here we got input is even number, which is correct, right? We provided the input number as 4, which is a even number. As I explained before, which is modulus of 2 and we get the remainder as 0. So we got even number as output. Let me try with some odd number like 7. Let me try with 7, right? As you already know 7 is odd number, let me execute this and we will see the result. So we got the output, input is odd number, which is correct, right? We provided input as 7. If we divide this 7 by 2, right, we get remainder 1, right? Even for this modulus operator, we will get the remainder as 1. So the if condition failed and we the else part of this if condition executed and we got the output as input is odd number. Hope you guys clear with this example. It's a simple one, but if you are clear with this, right, modulus and the remainder concept, you will understand this program easily. So thank you for watching this video.